Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on a Google Pixel 7a. To do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Now inside, look for the Microsoft Edge. Select it and click on the install. When it's ready, we can open the app and perform a setup. And first thing you see is introduction. You can read and see through it to learn some features of this browser. I'm gonna skip it. Next is to customize your homepage so you can see your wallpapers, most visited sites, and a newsfeed. Let's click on the next. Here we can sign in to turn on synchronization between other browsers. Set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And from there, the browser is ready. We can open any website. As you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.